How to set the zoom of the EAVS alarm products? Check this UI. Look, here is a menu, and we just talk about the zoom first. Press here. Zoom divided into wireless zoom, bus zoom, wireless zoom. We want to encode the door sensor, wireless PIR detector into the wireless zooms. We just add one zoom. Select zoom first. Choose one. Encoding. We have two ways to encode in the device. First way is directly input the ID code, the door sensor ID code into here, and another way is automatically encoding. It's trigger the device. Okay, and confirm. Choose the zoom type, the door sensors type. We can choose burglar. It has 7 types. And the address, you can write your room. Installation place address. Save. Okay, I just input the wireless PIR sensor to the device. Select 2 and the encoding. Such as PIR detector, we usually trigger the temper button. Okay, confirm. Choose the zoom type, regular, room. Save. Okay. How to encode the wireless remote controller? Choose this item, remote controller. Add one remote controller. We can encode 8 remote controller to the device. Choose one. Enable and wireless encoding. Trigger the remote controller. Confirm. Oh, you can write if your mother or father take the remote controller, you can write her name. Maybe my name is Coin. You can write Coin. Emergency links is just the remote controller. You can link to one of the channel. If you press it, the one of the channel will pop up on the screen. Okay, confirm. We just test. Okay. We use the remote controller disarm the system. You can check here, alarm info, user coin, events is disarm report, time. If we choose on, it's home on. If you can check here, is zoom number 1, alarm. Address is room, event